During our Farm Basics time today, we want to talk a little bit about grain carts. What is a grain cart?
All right, well, first of all, when you look at a farmer that's out in his field harvesting, what do you see? Well, you probably see a combine, you probably see a truck. But how does the grain go from the combine to the truck?
Well, Darren, it can go right away from the combine into the truck.
Yeah, some guys will drive all the way back across the field and bring that grain with the combine back to the truck. But you think about that, all that wasted time, all the extra trips you're driving across the field packing things down. What if you had another machine that could come right along the combine? We do have that sort of machine. It's called a grain cart.
My favorite job on the farm over all the years is actually running the grain cart. Now, personally, it's probably one of the easiest jobs, so maybe that's why I liked it so much. But all I can tell you is this. If you say, well, boy, that just seems like a lot of added expense, you're going to spend $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 or more on a grain cart, why would a farmer do that? Well, here's the way it looked to me when I was running the cart. We would have 2 combines out in the field, and if we weren't running that grain cart to keep up with those 2 combines, we had to really slow down. We couldn't do near as many acres in a day. When we were running 2 combines and 1 grain cart, it was just like having 3 combines in the field. You could keep those combines rolling. They never had to stop. The only bad thing, Darren, is I remember when I first started running the grain cart, and our dad said, I don't know if I like the grain cart because now I don't get a break. I have to keep going all day long running the combine. So anyway, it is nice.
We talk a lot on our show about we want to find $100 an hour jobs on the farm, and certainly running a combine is a $100 an hour job. And if we can keep that combine running all the time,
absolutely,
that's how you make money. That's how you get things done. And farmers are in a big hurry in the fall because the weather is going to change and things are going to happen. And when crop is dried and ready to harvest, you need to get out there because all of a sudden that stock isn't quite as strong as it used to be, and you're holding a big ear of corn or lots of pods of soybeans.
Yeah, so the whole thing is you've got a very expensive machine, a $300,000 to $500,000 combine that's running out in the field. By using a $50,000 grain cart with a tractor on it, and every farmer's got the tractor sitting there anyway, you can use a less expensive machine to keep the more expensive machine running more hours. That absolutely pays.
Well, grain carts are something that many farmers utilize to make their farms more efficient. One thing that farmers will do to make their fields more profitable is stopping weeds from robbing their yield. We'll show you how to stop this tough weed coming up later in the show.